Namaste, welcome to School Mathematics. And today I have come by bringing the topic factorization. Students mainly face the difficulties while solving, while finding the factors of this type of question. That's why I have brought here these difficult questions of the factorization. Let's start. Let's start today's class. And the first question goes like this. I'm writing here topic. Main topic is factorization. Okay, factorize. Factors. Okay, first question I'm giving here like this. Look here. This is a number that I am giving here, and the first question of this factorization goes like this. The question is like this, and here in this first bracket there is given a plus b. Okay, here is given a plus b, and bracket close, and here is whole square. Okay, and there is given plus sign here, and here is 11. Okay, then inside the bracket there is given a plus b. Okay, inside the bracket here, and bracket is closed, and then last term there is given here 18. Okay, and here you can directly factorize this also. Okay, or you can suppose in the solution. Okay, in this solution, look here. First of all, suppose there in the solution we have to suppose. Okay, or we can write a late also here. Okay, you can write here late also, or suppose also you can write, no problem. Here write late. Okay, then we can suppose this a plus b. Okay, the question looks a bit larger. Okay, that's why we are making this a bit smaller one by supposing this a plus b value equals to x. Okay, we are supposing this x, right? This a plus b x, that's why then it will come here like this. A plus b means x, we have supposed here just now, and right here x square. Okay, then there will be plus, and then there's 11, and then again here is a plus b, and put there again x here. Okay, and then plus, then there is last term there is given 18. Okay, now question has become a little bit smaller and size one. Look, because we have supposed this a plus b equals to x. Okay, then now look here in this three terms. Okay, highest power is this 2, then his power 1, and that in you know descending order of their power. Look, here is power 2, here is power x1, x power 1, here is x power 2, here is x power 0. Okay, they are already in order, descending order. Now what is our main thing there? Look, in front of this x square there is 1. Okay, here's 1 as the coefficient. This 1 and this 18 multiplied, and this will come 18. Okay, right here 18, and we have to factor this 18, and like this 2 9 ja, right? And again we can factor this. It will be here 3 3 ja. Okay, it will be 9 here. Now there are factors 2 3 and 3, this prime factors here, and from this, by using these factors, okay, prime factors, we have to find out here is x square. Okay, and now we are doing this middle term break by addition. Okay, by addition of these two factors, it must come 11, and by the multiplication it must come here 18. Okay, this 18 last one term, and they are, look, like this 3, this 3 and this 3, it will be 9, right? 9, and then next fact is remaining the 2. Then we can check here at the side, 9 to the 18, it will be here 18. Okay, right, 18 here, multiplication is 18. Then let's check their addition. 9 plus 2, it gives us 11. Look here, like this we have to break this one. Look here, at the middle there is 11, and at the last one there is 18. Multiplication must come here 18, and addition must come there 11. That's why in place of 11 we have to write here now, right? 9 plus 2 or 2 plus 9, both of them are same. It is as your choice. It is better to write 2 plus 9. If you write 9 plus 2 also, nothing happens because this is plus. Okay, that's why 2 plus 9 and 9 plus 2, both of them are same. Then we know this 18 is also what? 9 into 2. In this 18 also there is 9 into 2. Okay, this is factorized here. Okay, this is 9 to the 18. Then now we have to write here, see, write this x square same, right? And now let's remove this bracket, 2 into x, so it will be here 2x here, right here x only. Okay, and then plus 9 into x, there is 9x right there, and then here is 18. Okay, and after that, see here, this is x square. Okay, and look here, there become already four terms. Okay, this is 2 and this 2 terms, altogether 4 terms are there. Now let's take common from this 2 only. There is x common, then x is remaining there here, and then plus here is remaining 2, because we have taken already this x common. Now look here, children, in this 2 terms also there is 9 common. Okay, if we take 9 common, then there is remaining x. Okay, and then here is remaining 2. Okay, because 9 to the 18. Now equals to, look here, what is the same factor here and here? This x plus 2. That's where I write here x plus 2, right? And then we have to write this remaining also in the bracket. First one is remaining x, and second one is remaining plus 9. Okay, these are the two factor. Okay, now whatever we had, suppose we have to replace them. Okay, right here replacing the values of right here. Okay, replacing the value of, what is this, x. Okay, we have to replace the value of x, right? Okay, we are replacing the value of x. Then look, children, here one, I have shown already this one, okay? This 9 plus 2 is 11, then 9 to the 18. This by adding it must come here 11, okay? This one 9 and 2 adding it will come 11, 9 to the 18, right? And now after this, look here, what you have to do. See here, children. Now when you replace the value of x, then in place of x we have to write now a plus b. Then what will happen here? These are the two factors. Look here. In place of x we are writing here a plus b, okay? Then plus 2 write same as it is, okay? And second one again this is x, that's why in place of x we have to return a plus b, because we have supposed here a plus b means x, that's why in place of x we are returning the value of this x, okay? Now this is plus 9. These are the two factors, okay? These are the two factors. These are the two factors of this expression. Okay, this is the way to factorize this type of question. Look here, now I am to give you here one more question related to this. Okay, this I want to clear. That is B number. This is also factorization. Okay, I want to show you here. The question is like this. Look here, x plus y. There is given x plus y whole square. Okay, and there is given minus, okay, 15, right, minus 15 x plus y minus 15x plus y and plus there is 36, okay? And this question how to factorize? Look here, children. And here also while solving this, okay, while finding the solution, okay, here also suppose this x plus y, okay, that we can write, suppose also late also we can write late x plus y equals to, okay, you can suppose any other alphabet which is not here, okay? I'm supposing here a, okay? Then what will happen this, children? This x plus y means it will be a square, right? And then minus this is what there 15, okay? This 15a will be there now, and last one there is 36, okay? And look, children, now we have got this expression here. Then write this a square same as its coefficient is 1. This 1 and 36 will multiply and it will come here 36 here, okay? Let's factorize this. What you get? 2 18s, okay? Then again we can factorize it. 2 9s. Then again you can factorize this. 3 3s. Now from these factors 2 2 3 3, we have to select there. We have to make here two factors only. Okay, that look here. I want to show you here. 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12. Okay, and one factor has become here 12. Okay, and what is the remaining factor? Remaining factor is 3. That's why I'm making here 12 3s. It will come here 36, okay? 36, and now let's add them. 12 plus 3, it gives the middle term, that is 15, okay? That's why now in place of 15 we have to write there 12, okay, plus 3, right? And this a remains same, and this will be plus 36, okay? Right here 36. Now let's remove this one bracket. What will come? Look, children, here a square, okay, minus, and it will be here 12 a, okay, and okay, this sign minus and plus, don't forget to multiply this while removing the bracket. Here will be minus 3, okay, and plus 36 right here, okay. Then a common take, then here will be a minus 12 is remaining here, okay, minus it is here 3 and into a minus 12, okay, because in this 36 we have already written here one factor is 12 and the factor will be there 3. If we take 3 here and then here will be 12, and in this plus sign also there are two minus, because minus into minus plus, then one minus we have taken common and one minus remains here, okay. Look here, here is also remaining a minus 12, here is also remaining a minus 12, that we can take common now here equals to right here a minus 12, okay. And then what is remaining still in here? Next one is remaining there a minus 3, okay. And now we have to replace the value that we had supposed, okay. Replacing, okay, replacing replacing values of, okay, replacing values of a, value of a, okay. What we have supposed here, a means x plus y, that's why in this place a, what we have tried there, x plus y right there, x plus y and minus 12, okay. Then what is next one bracket, this also a means we have tried there x plus y, okay, and minus 3. These two are the factors of this expression. These are the two factors, okay. Like this we factor this type of question, okay. This is the answer for this factorization. X plus y minus 12 one factor, x plus y minus 3 another factor, okay children. Now look here, I want to show you here the next, okay. Here is, okay, here is the next question that I want to share here, and this I want to clear. The question is, see, okay, here is a number, it's also factorization. Here is given a plus b whole square, okay. First term is given there a plus b whole square, okay. A plus b whole square minus, and there is given minus 5 inside the bracket, then there is a plus b, okay. 5 into a plus b and minus there is next one, okay. Next one term is there 36 here, okay, minus 36, okay. Now here also while solving and write a solution, okay, write the solution, and here is also a plus b, we are late, okay, we are supposing here, we are supposing a plus b equals to, let's suppose here m, okay. We can write any other alphabet also, then it will be here m square, right, minus 5m, okay, minus 36, okay. And then when you factorize it, then right here m square, okay, minus, and this middle term should be, okay, broken in two terms, that, okay. Look here, one main thing I want to tell, and here is minus at last one, okay. This is last one minus, that's why 36 here is one coefficient, right, here's one coefficient, 36 1 the 36. Let's factorize this 36 and find here two factor, look, 2 1 the 2, one remainder here goes 2 8 the 16, then again 2 9 ja, then we can do here now 3 3 ja. Okay, this is 3 3 ja 9. Now let's make from here two factor whose subtraction, look, last term is minus, that's why we have to bring this 5 by subtraction. Look here, 2 to the 4 and this 3 3 is 9. Okay, we know 9 multiplied by 4 will come 9 4 is 36. Okay, from this all the factor we have written two factors only, this 3 3 is 9 and 2 to the 4, and now we have to write a 9 minus 4 because as I told you last term is minus, then we have to find this by subtraction. Okay, 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, 9 4 is 36 and 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 plus a 5 right there, 9 minus 4. Okay, and minus this is now 36 right here. And now look here, now I am removing the bracket. Okay, m square, then what will be here, 9m, and it's trying to mistake here also while opening the bracket. This minus and this minus will be here plus. Okay, then it will be here 4m, write a 4m minus 36 here. Okay, now children look here became 4 term, this is first two term, this is last two term. Now let's take common from this two term, m is common there, then what to do here, m minus 9. Okay, remaining here in the bracket. Now here is plus sign, that's why 4 take common here, 4 if you take common, here is remaining m, and 4 9s are 36. Okay, and here the 9 remaining. Look, this remainder and this remainder must come equal. Okay, if they're equal, then we have to understand our factorization is going on correctly. M minus 9 is common here, take common them, then write here m plus 4. Okay, after this one again we have to write here replacing the values of m. We have to suppose that no, replacing, we are replacing here. Okay, we are replacing the values of, replacing value of, replacing value of, replacing value of m there. Okay, if you replace the value of m here, what will come, look children, in place of m you have to write there a plus b minus 9. Okay, then next one there is a plus b plus 4. These are the two factors of this expression. Okay, like this we have to find out the answer of this factorization. Okay, now I want to share with you the next question related to this type. Okay, and which is like this. Look here children, the question is like this. See, I have to clear this, and it's D number, it is also factorization. Okay, and here is the question. Question is like this, x plus y, right? This is x plus y, bracket close, whole square, minus 9 multiplied by x plus y right here. Okay, another is there, plus 112 given there. Okay, this type of question how to factorize, look, I want to show you here. Solution here also we have to suppose, let, okay, x plus y value. Okay, let's suppose here x plus y value, its value is supposing here p. Okay, If you suppose p there, then what will happen? This will be first one will be here p square, okay, minus 9p, okay, and there plus this is plus 111. Sorry, it is 112. It is 112. Now its coefficient is 1 here. 1 into this multiply 112 only will be there. 112. Okay. Let's factor this. 2 5 are 10. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 2 are 4. 1 remainder and 16 2 8 are. Then next also let's do 2 14 are. Then we have to write here 2 7 are. Okay, this is the factors. Now let's make from here two factors only whose you know whose difference comes 9. Okay, this 9 difference. Okay, let's find out here. Here is first term p square, right? P square minus. Okay, now let's check in here. 2 2 the 4. Okay, 4 2 the 8. 8 2 the 16. Okay, there is one factor is 16 into 7. Okay, and then let's check 16 minus 7. Okay, if we make there minus, then here, okay, I want to here clear one, this one here. Here must be the sign, this sign must be, okay, minus here. Okay, here should be minus 112. Okay, I want to go back. Okay, I want to go back there and correct this question. Yes, here must be minus sign, and here is either 112. Okay, minus 112. Then only right here I corrected the question here. Solution. Okay, then let x minus y equals to p there. Okay, if you suppose p, then what will be said? Look here, it will be p square minus 9p will be there, right? And minus 112. Okay, and then let's factorize here. We had factorized just now 112. Okay, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, and then 2 2 the 4, 2 8 the 16, and 2, this factorization same, 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the, then again we can do factorization here, 2 7 the. Okay, and from here only 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, one factor we make as 16 into 7, and 16 minus 7. Okay, when you subtract 7 from 16, okay, multiplication will come 112. Okay, and the subtraction will come here, 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay, sure, it will come like this there. Then in place of this 9, what to write here? Write this p square same. Okay, p square same, and in place of 9 we have to write now there 16 minus 7 right there. Okay, right is 7, and then this alphabet at the same p. Okay, now I mention here 112, this is okay, and then see here, this is p square at same. Now let's remove this bracket, it will come here 16p. Then when you remove this bracket, this, don't forget to multiply this sign. Okay, minus and minus will be here plus, and here comes 7p. Okay, and minus 112 there. Okay, here is, and now let's take common from this 4, and here is p common, and here remains p minus 16. Okay, it will remain 16 here, and here plus sign first. Which sign is here? This one. Okay, this sign we have to take common, this sign. Okay, this will look, I am highlighting this one, plus, then plus take common, there's 7, and this is p minus, look, 7 common, then 7, how much that? 7 16, that there will be here 16 remaining. Okay, there will be 16 remaining. Now look, these two factors are same, then we have to take them common. This is p minus 16 common taken, then what is remaining? And here is remaining p plus, and next one is there 7. Okay, this here is remaining p, here is remaining plus 7. The remaining factor also put them in bracket. After this we are replacing the values of p, because we have suppose x. Okay, this x plus y, not minus y. Okay, here is x plus y. Okay, children, this x plus y we have suppose p, not the minus there. This is x plus y, right? This x plus y. Now right here replacing, right here replacing value of p. If you replace the value of p, then what will happen? See here, and right here in place of p we have suppose this x plus y, right? That's why right here x plus y minus 16, right? And then next one, this p again, that's why I replace, that is x plus y, and then next one is there x plus y and plus 7, there is right a plus 7. These are the two factors of this expression. Like this we have to factorize. Okay, this type of questions, this is the way to factorize this type of question. Okay, this whatever are given in the bracket, to make the question larger, that should be supposed any alphabet. Here we have suppose this is x plus y equals to p. Okay, here we can suppose any other alphabet also. Like this we have to factorize this type of question. I hope you are clear about this type of question, and keep practicing mathematics. And today this much only. Thank you very much. If it is not subscribed yet, okay, please you can subscribe my channel. Okay, and keep practicing mathematics. Thank you very much. And here